Oh, hello everybody. Hey, you caught me at a really interesting and unusual stage here in my studio. I've got an exhibition on at the Chelsea Arts Club. I'm really lucky to have that, and it's going really well. And the opening of it provided me with a deadline really, so I got lots of work finished to make it as good as possible. And that means it's a bit like turning off the machine that makes all the mosaics. I'm back to scratch again. So I'm having to remake the octopus because that's going on a cruise with the Arts Club. And we've got a whole load of mosaics here that are at various stages. Normally there's one at the beginning, one at the middle, one at the end. But as I say, I've had to start from scratch. So here's a commission of some chilies, waiting for Andrew to grout. We've got the two turtle doves, which again, sometimes a piece sells too soon for my liking and I miss it, so I'm making it again, which is what's happened here. This one is a new design. There's a lovely Italian restaurant opened in Ramsgate called Porto Reale, and I'm making mosaics for that, of which this is one. And so is this crab. It's going to have sand around it, it's going to be lovely. And this one, again, is one that sold too soon. It's a peacock frieze. This is all in gold. And I'm missing it, so I'm making it again. So there we are. A bit unusual to have 6 mosaics at these quite early stages on, really. I could easily spend the next 3 weeks just mosaicing away and not making any fusions at all, which is very unusual, by the way. So, as always, I'm going to try and explain it all over again in this accompanying verse. My exhibition at the Arts Club has wiped me out clean. It's as if someone's turned off the sausage machine. So now I need to start again from scratch and think of some new ideas to hatch.